Are you on?
I'm on. What are we doing?
We are decorating Bird's habitat because he's going to be part of our costume contest.
Go for it.
For Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce and Bird's, what is he? Like a super fan
Swiftie.
dude? His pinata. This no, okay. And then where should I tape this? Down here? Because the camera's going to be in there.
Yeah, probably down there.
So down here. He's a Swiftie for life. Do you think he was dancing to Life of the Show Girl in the car? How does that look? You want to do lover down there?
Somebody did us frightened.
And then I have 30 minutes to walk. I'll walk her around that way.
Walk her very fast.
I don't want to be out of breath.
That looks cute.
Let's go it. And his perch inside actually kind of looks like a little Swiftie girly. Come on. You don't have to gallop everywhere. Emma. Emma, let's go. There you go. Collapsed because she's so hot. All right, Kelsey. It would really help if you could stand. We want in the front, so we have.
I think the burger and the beer in front.
Every single person. I'm not even kidding. There wasn't one person she didn't bark at the whole time.
You said she was good.
Towards the end. All right, Gangle.
Put your foot down.
Can you put it like this? I'm telling you, we ran a lot. Can you get your breath out of my face?
Bird's knocking to get out.
Bird, you're gonna come with too. Let's go get some water. Can you take a drink? Standing there.
Well, she doesn't know what to do.
Come here. Still move. Okay.
Fix her guitar.
Checking in over there.
So get checked in. I will put the wig on.
I have you guys already running. Oh. You are hilarious. I love it, Taylor. Emma. Hey. Let's walk up and listen. Hey, Emma. Oh my God. You're acting just like Taylor.
Oh my goodness. Oh yes. We've got Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift right here. Yes, right? Oh my, can I take a video? Okay. What are your dogs' names?
This one's Taylor Stella and Travis is Emma.
They are so great. Oh my gosh, and a bird. Oh.
Come over here. Get out of the way, Stella. No. No. Stella. Hey. Stella. Stella.
Pretty bird.
Thank you. Emma. Emma. Hey. No. It's okay. Emma. Come Come here.
Oh my goodness.
Emma. What are we doing? 20.
Just making my way around to keep but I haven't got it yet, so I'll. That's okay. No, that's right. Thank you. You're acting just like oh my goodness. Oh yes. We've got Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift right here. Yes, right. Oh my. Can I take a video?
Yeah.
Okay. They're so great. Oh my God. And a bird. Oh, Swifty for life. Oh, this is amazing. This is so cute. I'm the one doing all the pictures for the post.
Oh.
Yes.
Wait, somebody smells it, so you don't. It's probably Stella. Wait, what number are you guys?
32.
Okay, so we're next, right? Okay.
Do not tell anybody about at Zoom Room about Stella because she's very upset.
Yeah.
Wigs.
Here, girls. Emma. I love this show. Thank you.
Come on.
Stella and Emma, they are Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce, and they have a bird that's their Swiftie. Yay! This is a bear. We have bear dressed as a bear.
And the crate's going this direction. Come on, girls.
Molly and Chloe and their dressed. Okay, this is Stella and Emma, and they are Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce, and they have a bird that's their Swiftie.
Come on, Emma. That way, I think, right? Come on, Emma.
This is a bear.
Amber, you're fine, dude. Emma, come on.
It's so hard to choose everybody because you all look so darling. I mean, honestly. But we have to choose, of course, our most famous duo, Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce. But the kicker was the bird who was dressed as a Swiftie. Right here, we got a Swiftie for life.
Come on, Stella.
Thank you, everyone, for coming. Oh, here we come. Here's Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift. Thank you. Okay, everybody's here. Everybody gets their free bag of dog food and their treat bag of pet treats. Thank you for coming.
Started, we got open farm. These were, everything was free. But these were free for participating. And then we'll do this later. This is like the stocking stuffers. So we have raw rewards treat size. We have, ooh, it's a large collagen stick. I'm sorry, you've eaten way too much today. Why is she bursting? We have Finley's Monster Snacks. That's like good stuff. Yeah, man.
Something we don't want to see. Dana. Emma.
We got Red Bar digestive air dried tower food. This is like good stuff. Like, healthy, can you not? And this still has BO. we got more of those raw weird things. From Duck Olive Veg. Nutri-Source Element Series Outback Barrels. We have a calming bar.
I'm gonna use that. Could have used that before.
Yeah, we could have. Oh, cute.
Like a bag charm?
Yeah.
That's cute.
I'll go in my bag. It's a calling thing. And we're calling Easy Treat. And then in this one, we have 2 more of the Raw Reward treats. Another Red Farm collagen stick. You already had one of those today. Please sit down. We got a wrapper. I don't know if I can wrap. Monster Snacks. Please get down. We have more from Red Barn, more Red Barn. Another bandana. Another one of those. I'm confused. Nutri-Source more. Another calling bar. A Wimple. Extra. and a pen and another keychain. And that was just the free, like the stuff that didn't even come with our gift that we want to open. And then this is what we want, correct? Are you gonna call this one yet?
No, I just.
We have chompy chompers. Whatever those are, they look like treats. Oh, we got another collagen stick. This one is brushing dental health. They desperately need that. We got a, oh, this is cute, Grabber's dog toy. That's a good prop for like a, I don't know, this is like a,
Can cover.
yeah. We got a rabbit sausage. More Red Barn. I thought, yes, we got, I love toppers. We got freeze-dried chicken breast with New Zealand green mussels.
Nice.
We got more of these beef livers. Two tennis balls. One for you. One for you.
Still looks like, is it food?
No. Poop bags. More Red Barn.
Boy.
We got free self-wash. $10 towards retail products. And then we got Crunchy-O's, pumpkin Crunchy-O's.
Nice.
The Good List, gently air-dried dog food. Chicken. We got Nylabone Puppy Chew. We have a more Red Barn gently air-dried dog food. And lastly, 2 cans of one from